few foods like dairy foods or gluten foods. What do you think? We should go for the customized diet plan, or we should go for a general diet plan?
What I teach everyone else is that you don't need to permanently remove gluten from your diet and you don't need to indefinitely go gluten free. What we focus in the Pain Free Endo system for Endo Warriors is to improve the gut health and to create the environment where there is zero inflammation. The gut health is not compromised, okay? So that you can digest all these foods or like dairy, gluten, things like that. So in order to do that, you have to go gluten free and you have to go dairy free till we identify your root cause, where your digestive system is compromised, the immune system is compromised, the hormonal systems are compromised, where are the imbalances, and how can we bring everything back to equilibrium to the best of our capacity is through eliminating the triggers of environmental toxins or foods. So it's not just gluten. There are other aspects also in play. So you might want to also remove staying up all night. That is a trigger as well, sleepless nights and low quality sleep. So there are lots and lots of other things. And again, I'm telling you, this is all research based.